12 years back, my wife went in for delivery. She was with the doctor. The doctor was not at all happy. The child was in a very wrong position. She said, we will have to go for a cesarean. She called up the anesthesia guy. She started preparing the, theatre. I was a young boy, very scared. Jaan nikli hui bilkul, didn't know what to do. So, I called up my Reiki guru. And I said, kya hoga batao? He just said, everything will be perfect. Don't worry. Everything is going to be really fine. Just give Reiki to the mother and child. So, maybe these words were enough. Mera dimag cool ho gaya. I really started feeling, there is something in it. I kept my phone down and I started doing Reiki for my wife and my son. I switched off within a minute. That means I really went into a very deep trance. I do not know nothing more. 15 minutes later, my son was born normal. It was a normal delivery, not a problem at all. The doctor came out and said, I've never seen anything like this. The anesthesia doctor had to be sent back, everything had to be put back. Don't worry. When the time is right, you yourself will realize about Reiki. Fine. And maybe this 12 years back was the time set for me to realize that yes, Reiki is there. It's not a logical thing you can explain. But see, we all worship someone or the other. We all believe in God. We don't see Him. We believe in Him. We know He's there. We know He's doing things. Only जब आप meditative mood में या वैसे mood पे बैठते हो तब आपको realize होता है कितना दिया उसने, कितना अच्छा है वो. He's there for you. Reiki would be like that. It is not like I would do like this and boom, see, magic, this is Reiki. No. Reiki will come from the heart. And everybody has his own time to realize when you feel, ये हो रहा है, कुछ तो है, something is there. ठीक है? Okay, let me just now tell you what Reiki is. Most of you or some of you might have heard about it. Frankly, it is not something very out of the blues. Even Guru Nanak did it, even Jesus did it. They used to touch people, people used to heal. Maybe there was something going on. They were so powered. They were so much full of energy. They used to pass energy. Hello? Okay, let's see what Reiki is all about. I'll break it up as a very simple, small scenario. ये हमारा चंडीगढ़ है. चंडीगढ़ में बहुत सारे sectors हैं. Chandigarh is our body. Body has got hands, legs का काम कुछ, hand का काम कुछ, stomach का काम कुछ. All these parts are doing their jobs. Similarly, चंडीगढ़ में सारे अपने अपने sector बने हुए हैं. For these sectors to run, we need electricity. Light चले, fan चले, है ना? And to have this electricity, we need power stations. एक power station से सारा काम तो हो नहीं सकता. तो एक 12 सेक्टर में एक पावर स्टेशन है, एक 41 सेक्टर में है, एक, and these power stations are taking care of few sectors. Maybe 10 sectors here, 10 sectors here. Correct ना? हमारी बॉडी में भी there are 7 main energy chakras. These energy chakras have been given duties. भाई तेरा काम है तू ब्रेन को और इसको कंट्रोल कर. तेरा काम है तू स्टमक को, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को कंट्रोल कर. So there are these, and this even our Vedas talk about. They talk about these 7 chakras. All these chakras have been given duties to take care of different parts of the bodies. Reiki talks about these 7 chakras. चलो, power station बन गए, हमारे sectors भी बन गए. But अब आपके घर में light आनी है, so there have to be wires coming from the power station to your houses. वैसे ही from the chakra, there are energy channel going to different parts, so that energy can reach and work on those places. है ना? Disease क्या चीज है? Disease का मतलब अगर एक power station बंद पड़ जाए या उसमें power production कम हो जाए, somebody or someone else will suffer. वैसे ही when one of the chakras becomes de-energized, gets blocked, the organs which are connected to that chakra will immediately start suffering. Right? Secondly, अगर आपके घर जो वायर आ रही है, if that wire breaks, of course आपके घर में लाइट नहीं आएगी. वैसे ही अगर एक मेरा ये elbow है, let's say the energy channel coming to this elbow gets blocked, no more energy here, very soon I will start having problem with my elbow.